So we've got a track day at Winton coming up, and something cool that I've been wanting to do is this. This is a passenger seat rail to go in there so I can take my mates out on track. So let's pop this puppy in and then head to the track. Alrighty, we're at Winton now, and with the magic of the internet, we have a passenger seat. And we have passengers. Hey MC. Hey Bradders. And I did a very sneaky Redline manner, even though they're sponsored by Penrite here. Shh. Redline. Cool, the Nug's all good to go. We've got our beautiful 1-gauge screen. So this is all a prototype, this housing, so it might not work today, it may break, who knows, we're going to find out, but the rest of it is sick. So let's get suited up and go out. Passenger lap ever in the Nug. Got one of my best mates in the world here, MC. I think it's the first time you've even seen the Nug, isn't it?
No, not first time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So every single car in this grid at the moment has at least 50 more horsepower. That's probably the closest.
Off we go.
Most tracks are fun places.
Everything cleaned up?
Yeah, it's getting some neat brakes. For a shopping trolley.
You can't call this a shopping trolley.
It's amazing what you can get a little 1.5 litre standard engine.
Flies.
If that's true, that's 1.2 off my personal best in viewing the car.
Jesus.
That's not bad. Dude,
Not
you can feel the weight. Not
Yeah.
saying anything about MC. He's
definitely feel the weight.
He's a slender, delicious human, but chucking it around that back corner, you're chucking it in the way fast, and the car you're like, oh my god! It almost goes up on the front left wheel. Cool, so we just had another sesh. I matched my PB, but I was hoping to do better. I was stuck behind a guy in a Falcon. It was real good on the straights, but not so good in the corners, which stuffed up a bunch of my laps, which was annoying. But yeah, the car's going good, feels good. Very slick out there today. The UV, everyone's saying it's pretty wild, pretty slippery, as you saw from that last session. Had a couple of moments. So anyway, we'll next sesh is passenger sesh. You coming out, Bradders?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, Brad is going to come for
a run in the Nug.
Come for a sesh.
Finally, a run in the Nug.
In the Nug.
Cheers, man. That was fun.
Yeah, good. Oh, yuck. Alrighty. So the 1 gauge is going really well. It's cool. I'm right in direct sunlight at the moment, so it's a bad angle for it. I am going to redo the lens hood for it. And we're going to tweak this because it's a little rattly. So I've already redesigned a new one, and hopefully that one will be a bit better. But the gauge setup itself is freaking awesome. I've got the 2 wires for the low oil pressure and the high temperature water temp, so I'm going to run those. I'm not too sure I'm going to run them yet. Maybe a couple of buzzers just up here on the roll cage. It's right in my vision, so I know if I've got issues and I don't have to really glance at it. But yeah, what a great piece of kit. Gone out for a few sessions. It is a greasy, slippery track. I'm getting my PBs, but I'm not breaking it, and it's really annoying me. So, and I'm pushing, and I'm doing silly things and almost crashing, but I'm sure I can find half a second. Boys are just chilling out, just hanging. What's up? What's up? How was your first adventure in the Nug, MC?
Pretty damn good, actually, yeah.
Yeah, bit of fun?
Yeah, definitely.
Nice. Bradders?
That was good fun.
Yeah.
You're not a muppet behind the wheel. We didn't go off the track. That was good
I'm
fun.
not a muppet behind the wheels. First time I've heard that. Let's do this. Thanks for your help today, much appreciated. We'll see you next time, eh? Thank you. See you, boys. Thanks. So we're done. I did get a PB on that last session. It wasn't exactly what I wanted. I was hoping for a 46 flat and I got a 46.9. So I got 0.1 faster, but honestly, hot track, everyone was struggling today. It's a good excuse, isn't it? We'll use that as an excuse. The Nug was great. The new suspension setup was freaking awesome. I'm stoked on it. Car feels really stable, really predictable. So yeah, I'm good. It was a good day. I got to take my mates out, fun times. And yeah, we got a supercar blast past us in that last section, which was terrifying. Anyway, thanks for watching, gang. We'll see you in the next track day.